Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Fliki using your Facebook account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to Google and then search for Fliki. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to Fliki's official page. Now you can see the login option which is on the right hand side of your screen. Click login and you can see that there is option of logging in with these social medias. So you can go ahead and click continue with Facebook. It will lead you to this page where you can click continue as your username and Fliki will request access to login with your username. This way you can log in to your Fliki account using Facebook. I hope this video about how you can log in to your Fliki account using Facebook was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.